Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do Excel chapter 10 mid-level 1 Dow Jones. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do your assignments, if you want me to do your complete course including Excel assignment, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments and assess assignments, please contact me on WhatsApp or email that is mentioned in the description of this video. You can see my WhatsApp and email showing at the bottom of the screen as well. So I'm gonna do this assignment step by step and I will show you how you can do this assignment from step 1 to end of the assignment. You can hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences or writing assignment, etc. So let's start this assignment and solve this assignment from step 1. So title of the assignment is Exp19 Excel chapter 10 mid-level 1 Dow Jones. So this is the title. Basically this is the mid-level 1 assignment and this is the 10th chapter of Excel section of my IT lab course. So in step number 1 we are supposed to download the Excel sheet. This one, Exp19 Excel chapter 10 mid-level 1's Dow Jones. So this is the Excel sheet that we are supposed to download and we will apply all these instruction questions in that file. So I have already downloaded this one. This one, you will get a empty file like this one to start this assignment from step 1. So I have already downloaded this one. Now we will move to step number 2 because step number 1 is just about downloading the file. So I have shown you that I have already downloaded this one. So let's move to step number 2. So step number 2 is saying that use get and transform power tools to import and transform table 0 located in the file Ch10 ML1 index.txt. So basically we are supposed to import and transform table 0 that is located in the text file. Then it is saying that split the company column using the space as a delimiter at the leftmost occurrence. Rename the respective columns, symbol and company. Remove the column change, percentage change and volume. Name the table Dow and now load it to existing file. So let's do this step. So first thing is we are supposed to import the table that is table 0 located in the text file. So we can do this by going to the data tab and click on get data. So we are supposed to get the table from the text file. So you can see that we are supposed to import the table from this text file. So we will select this text file, this one. I have selected this one. Click import. So we are supposed to import the table 0. So this is the table 0 and we are supposed to import this one. So I will click this one, table 0, select this one and click load. So we have imported and loaded the table 0 into our sheet. So next thing to do is split the company column using the space as the delimiter at the leftmost occurrence. So now we are supposed to split the company column. This is the company column that have the company name and the symbol. So we are supposed to split this column into two columns, and then we will change these columns name to symbol and the company. So let's go to Power Query Editor. So this is the Power Query Editor, and click on Edit. So now we are supposed to split this company column. So select this column and then go to split. Oh, sorry, I clicked on wrong one. So click on split column. So by delimiter, this one. So now we are using the space as the delimiter given here. You can see the space as the delimiter at leftmost occurrence. So we will select this one there. So space as the delimiter at leftmost occurrence. So select this one, click OK. So you can see that company column has been split into two columns, that is the company 1 and company 2. Now we are supposed to rename these two columns. So first one should be the symbol and second one should be the company. So we will rename this as a symbol, and then the second one, the company. So these two columns has been renamed. Now next thing to do is remove the column. We are supposed to remove these columns, that is the change, percentage change and the volume. Then we are supposed to name the table Dow and load it to existing worksheet. So now we are supposed to remove this change column. So select this and go to the remove columns and click on remove column. Then we are supposed to remove the percentage change as well. So click on remove and click on remove column, this one. After that we are supposed to remove the volume column, this one. So select this one and then go to remove column and click on remove columns. So after that we are supposed to rename the table. So you can see the table properties here, and you can see that table name is table 0. Now we are supposed to rename this to another name. So I will type the name here and press enter, and now you can see the table name that has been changed according to requirements, this one. So after that we will load it to existing worksheet. So go to close and load, click on close and load. So now you can see the changes in the table. So first one is simple, then company, because this was consist of only one column, but now you can see two columns. Then we removed the percentage change and the volume column from the table. So you can see this is the final form of the Dow table. So let's go to next tab, that is tab number 2, because we have completed step number 2. So step number 3 is name the worksheet current price. So we are supposed to rename the sheet current underscore price. Current underscore price. So we will rename the sheet. So that is all about step number 3. So we have completed 3 steps, and now we will move to next step, that is step number 4. So step number 4 is use the Power Query to import the table data located in the workbook Exp19 Excel chapter 10 greater mid-level 1 trade info. So now we are supposed to import the trade data located in this workbook. Then after that, before loading the data, if necessary, use the Power Query editor to remove the columns that contains null values. Split the company column using the leftmost space as the delimiter and rename the respective column symbol and the company name. So first we are supposed to import Exp19 Excel chapter 10 greater ML1 trade info CSV. So we are supposed to import this. After importing this, we will go to the Power Query editor to edit this table, and we will remove the null values column. Then we will split the company column using the leftmost space as a delimiter, and we will rename the respective column symbol and the company name. So let's go to the sheet again. Then again click on the data tab and then click on get data. Now we are supposed to get the data from CSV file. So this is the CSV file that we are supposed to use. So we will select this and click on import. So as we have imported this one, now we are supposed to edit this. So let's go to the Power Query editor, click on the query and click on the edit. So after clicking on the edit, we are supposed to split the company column. This is the company column and we are supposed to split that, but before that we are supposed to remove the null values column. So this is the null value column. So we will remove this one. Click remove column and remove this one. This is also null value column. So click on remove and remove column. This is also null value column. Click on remove column and click remove. Next one is also null value. Remove this one. And next one is also null. So remove this one. So we have removed the null values column. Now we are supposed to split this. So click on the split and by the delimiter. So we are supposed to use the space as the delimiter, but the split at leftmost across. So we will check this one and click OK. So you can see that now we can see two columns instead of one company column. So now we are supposed to rename this column symbol and the company name. So this will be the symbol and this will be the company name. So we have renamed these two one and now we will reload and close this. So close and load this. So you can see an updated table here. That is the date, trade number, symbol, company name. So that is the final form of this table. So we have completed step number 4. Let's move to next step, that is step number 5. So basically this assignment have 11 steps, in fact 10 steps. So I am doing step number 5. That is almost 50% of the assignment. You can see that 15, 20, 35 and 40. So we are doing 40 points for this one. So now we are supposed to rename this sheet as the trade. So rename this as a trade. So that is all about step number 5. So in step number 6, it is saying that add the table and the Exp19 Excel chapter graded trade to data model. So now we are supposed to add the both table, this one and this one, to the data models. So first go to the dot table, this one, go to the power pivot and click on add to the data model. So you can see that this table has been added to the data model. So close this one. And now we'll move to the next one. This is the next one. and again go to the power pivot. After going to the power pivot, click on add to the data model. So this has been also added to the data model. So we have added both the tables to the data model. This is all about step number 6. So we have completed 6 steps so far. So let me do step number 7. When we will complete step number 7, it means we are done with 30. Then we are done with 15, 20, 35, 40 and 55 points. That's mean we are done with 55 points. So let me do this one for you. Then I will just give you an overview for the remaining steps. So let's do step number 7 now. In step number 7, it is saying that use the power pivot to create the following relationship. So now we are supposed to create the relationship, and for this relationship we are supposed to use the power pivot. So let's do this one now. So we will go to the sheet and now click on the power pivot and click on the manage. So after clicking on the manage, go to the design tab. You can see the design tab is here. Then click on create relationship. So relationship is table should be Exp19 Excel chapter 10 greater mid-level 1 trade info, and you can see that table is already selected, and then we are supposed to select the field that should be simple. So we will click on the symbol. So now we will select the second table, and second table is this one. So select this one from the list. So now we are creating the relationship between this table and this table based on the symbol data field. So that is the requirement given in the instruction. So first table should be this one, second table should be this one, and then field should be the symbol. So I have already selected these one. So after selecting these one, click OK and close this one. So I have created this relationship. I can show you this relationship. Just go to the data tab and click on the relationship. So now you can see that active relationship is between this table and between this table based on the field symbol. So that is all about step number 7, where we was supposed to create a relationship between two tables using the field symbol. So close this one. So that is all about 7 steps. So I have shown you 7 complete steps. I solved each and every single thing in these 7 steps, and now for the remaining steps I am going to give you just an overview. So step number 8 is, so in step number 10 we are supposed to create a power pivot table. So it is saying that create a pivot table using the power pivot. So remember this, you are supposed to use the power pivot as a table. So next is we are supposed to create a cluster column pivot chart, and then next is we are supposed to add the chart title, and we are supposed to apply the counting number format. So this is 20, 35 and 40 points, and the remaining 5 points is delete the sheet 1. So 40 points are there, 45 points are there. So I am going to show you these points. So this is the power table, power pivot table, then a cluster column chart on it. So this is the final form of this assignment. Like I have shown you 7 complete steps, but for the remaining these 3 steps, I am just giving you an overview. So you can see that this is the final form of this power pivot table and the cluster column chart, trade worksheet, current price worksheet, and the price comparison worksheet. So I have shown you this complete assignment. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, just contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID that I have mentioned in the description of this video. You can hire me for your other assignments like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, or writing assignments as well. So have a look to the final version of this assignment. If you want me to do this for you, I am available. Just contact me and I can do this assignment for you. My WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp direct link is given in the description of this video. My WhatsApp direct link is showing at the banner of this my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video so that I can continue creating useful videos for you. You can look for more useful solution videos in my YouTube channel. So please subscribe to my channel and get notification for upcoming solutions as well. Thank you so much. I will get back to you with another video.